There are large forests in the world where thousands of trees, plants, and animals live. The largest forest in the world is the Amazon rainforest, which spans billions of acres. This forest is so vast that it alone touches the borders of 9 countries. The same is true for the Congo Rainforest, which is referred to as the second largest forest in the world. It is located in Central Africa, and most of it is spread across the Congo. This forest, which spans over 2.3 million square kilometers, is so large that it extends across 6 countries. The Congo forest is called a rainforest because it experiences rain most of the time, and it rains heavily. It is said that there are many parts of this forest where humans have not yet reached. Even the people living in the forest may not have explored the entire area. This forest is so dense that in many places, sunlight does not even reach the ground. You will be surprised to know that there are not 12, but a total of 5 national parks in this forest that have been designated as World Heritage Sites by the United Nations. Just as the Amazon River flows through the Amazon forests, the Congo River flows through this forest with a length of about 4,700 kilometers. It is the second longest river in Africa and the deepest river in the world. It passes through several countries such as Angola, Burundi, Cameroon, Tanzania, and Zambia. This forest is home to more than 11,000 species of plants. Among these, there are 1,000 species that grow only in this forest. This forest is home to over 2,000 species of animals and over 1,000 species of birds. There are such dangerous creatures here that if a person accidentally enters the dense forests, it becomes almost impossible for them to return. Please let us know what you think in the comments. And don't forget to like this video and follow us for more.